Food and beverage cannot be consumed. We don't have that rule in Arizona.
Oh, they have enough food drinks rule here?
Yeah, because of the health. It didn't used to be like
this time. COVID thing?
Yeah, probably. Oh wow! Oh, I've seen this one on YouTube before. It's all silver inside.
Here, I'll let you do the buttons. They gotta put some new light bulbs in, but the floor is new.
Smells kind of funny in here. It almost smells a little bit like ammonia mixed with something else.
Oh, none of these we're going down. Dude, none of these have light bulbs in them.
Oh, I just closed the door on that lady. Was she an employee?
I don't think she wanted to get on, and I thought I saw an employee's badge. I couldn't tell.
Okay, well, we'll just get off that too, because she's probably saw us taking videos.
She saw me pointing a flashlight at the ceiling.
Yeah. I think it's best just to get off that too, then. I don't want to get busted.
This blue indicator I have never seen working, ever.
Oh, okay.
I love the buttons though.
I'll come back to one and get a picture because it's wider. And we'll let the lady.
I do not remember the most in that.